Well, today, it's New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, everyone. And today you guys are getting updates on all the Squarebodies in the shop for New Year's. Starting with the #1 beast. So let's get into it. You'll notice the beastly dually has been moved out of its corner. That's because we're getting ready. We're getting ready to rip the nose cone off of this thing, and we need the hoist for it because it is just too big to lift the engine up and over, and it's too big for my tranny jack to lift the jack up. So I prepared for this. We only have a few bolts holding that nose cone on, just the 2 body mounts and a couple of fender bolts, and that whole thing should come off in one piece. I think we gotta unbolt the hood first, but and then we get to slide the whole powertrain in it as one unit. Have my transmission and transfer case here. They're in paint. And I located almost everything we need. We have the flywheel machined. There's the old clutch. Have a brand new clutch. We have a new fuel tank. I've been scrounging, let me tell you. Found all my shifter linkage, all the bolts for the bell housing. I've been cleaning the shop like crazy, just getting organized for this day. And I'm so excited, but unfortunately, I don't get to do it right now because I'm working out of town these days. So on my days off, this is what my plan is. Oh, and there's the radiator. We found the radiator too. We have everything to get that powertrain in. I think we gotta mount the brake booster. That's about it. And then we can wire it up. Found my drive shafts. So we literally have everything to make this thing running and driving next. That is the next stage. And now I can really just enjoy the build. We're at that point where I can just take a week off, spend time on this thing, get the powertrain in it so that we can design the deck. Because I'm really looking forward to the deck design and having fun getting creative with that. that back end is just so long. But there you guys go. You get a little update on the beastly dually. It is in position finally out of its hole. It just looks sick. Like, it's just unbelievable. I'm so excited about this thing. You know, it happens every time, doesn't it? Every time I'm filming. All right, next, you guys get a video on one of the rescues, the new purchases we made, a new Jimmy that we will be selling. So you get to go for a little ride along on that. And then we will do an update on the Bumble Blazer in the back. So happy New Year's, you guys. Enjoy your day. I'll see you soon.